Hello everyone, welcome back to the PC Error Detective channel. Today, we're going to show you how to solve blinking cursor issue on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Step 1. Right-click on the empty area of your taskbar, then select Task Manager. Step 2. In the Task Manager window, under the Processes tab, look for Windows Explorer and click on it. Step 3. Click on the End Task button located at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. Step 4. After ending the task, click on the File menu at the top left corner of the Task Manager window. Then select Run New Task. Step 5. In the Create New Task dialog box, type the special command and press Enter or click OK. This will restart. It might fix the blinking cursor issue. Method 2. Updating keyboard and mouse drivers. Step 1. Press the Windows key plus X on your keyboard to open the Quick Access menu. Then select Device Manager. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, locate and click on Mice and Other Pointing Devices to expand it. Step 3. Right-click on your mouse or touchpad device listed under Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Step 4. Select Update Driver from the context menu that appears. Step 5. Once the driver update process completes, restart your computer by click on the Start menu. Then click on Power option and select Restart to apply the changes. Method 3. Fix video driver issue. Step 1. Press the Windows Logger key plus X on your keyboard to open the WinX menu. Then select Device Manager. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the category labeled Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Step 3. Right-click on your graphics card or video adapter listed under this category. Step 4. Choose Update Driver from the options provided. Step 5. Restart your computer by click on the Start menu. Then click on Power option and select Restart to your PC. Complete the driver update process. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to solve the blinking cursor issue on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the latest updates.